That is a flex.
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome in, everyone.
8 p.m. sleeping sounds magical, bro.
And it was amazing. Good morning, good morning. Let's see if we can't find a nice trade together, YouTube, and stick around to the end. I have some Apex accounts to give away.
Sounds absolutely magical. Damn, we're approaching that 1 and 9 already. That's crazy. Let me get my book map up as well.
Does it reject the previous day point of control?
Gotta get my book map up. Oh, I have NQ on both screens. Whoops. I didn't realize that. Good looks. Good looks, good looks, good looks. We're still a ways away.
Good morning.
From 1 and 9,
Welcome in, everyone. Appreciate you all for being here, YouTube. Let's see if we can't have a great week. I was watching to see if we rejected this previous day point of control. Not looking for a trade, just wanted to watch for educational purposes. It typically respects it really well.
Gap and go, maybe.
Yeah, I like this whole area here for reject.
Now, what are you watching today? Grizzly Block? You see anything you like?
Yeah, I do have a. I didn't put the reject area on the watch list, but I'm watching that. Let's see, my zone starts at 24,867 and goes up to 24,888 for a reject. Okay. I was hoping we push down first because I like the bounce area much better. Point of control, free Walla. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in, Faith. Corey, good morning. Is Greg traveling this morning? Where's he at?
What'd he say?
Where's Greg at this morning?
He's doing something. He's busy with something. He's doing something.
Greg don't ever stop. He's always working. Good morning. What's up, Honda? Everyone finally waking up?
Once they approve it, I should have a $4,000 Top Step payout today coming in.
They should pay for your steak.
Yeah, I said it's going to pay for the steak for the month.
I'm not for sure about that, but I wouldn't go that far. After you buy people's food a few times. Brandon specifically.
Yeah, we know. You know, Brandon ain't paying for nothing. Yeah, I really don't trade with. I really don't trade with prop firms too much. I just want to prove I can do it. First time ever on Top Step Express funded accounts. Got a 4-rack payout, and I'm gonna keep trying to really trade them smart, trade them safe, and to get more.
So what am I looking for, Free Walla? What does that even stand for? I don't even know what your name means, but anyways, just looking for a reject up here. So this is supply, so just looking for a supply entry. If it breaks above this, it's no longer valid for a short. So far, respecting this previous day point of control well. We're going to watch the 30-minute range as well.
Where is Mr. Gene?
Told you, I was crazy how much
Sleeping Beauty's
we
late.
respect the point of controls. Cannot believe I just started watching them this year. I was missing out, huh?
No, Mr. Gene. Yeah, Tesla's really moving today so far. Well, there he is. I see him walking up. I see Mr. Gene walking up. I see you, my boy. I will watch Tesla if we get a pullback. I like Tesla for longs today too. I like the overall larger time frame. What's up, Gene? What's up, Sleeping Beauty? How was that Nebraska game? I don't know what you're talking about. What Nebraska game? I didn't know there was a game. No comprende.
I like that game. It's solid.
It was a good game. I'm just a salty, sore loser. I'm just a little salty, that's all.
You have any questions for me, YouTube? We're looking for a trade right now. Good morning.
That's all. We are 8 minutes in and I have not seen a single thing that I like. But that is very subject to change.
Except for Gene. Oh.
Yeah, I saw Gene. I like Gene. Bro, 2 weeks in a row, my Broncos lost on last second field goals. Unreal.
On the bright side, my fantasy team crushed it yesterday.
Bro, you went insane. Your defense had 32 points.
I know, man. They gotta keep it together, though. Last week, they didn't play well at all. Need more consistency out of them if I'm gonna win. Rejecting that previous day point of control pretty hard here. Previous day point of control. Green Eyes caught a trade. Let's see why he caught. There you go, Green Eyes. Nice. Shorts entry if you're on Zoom.
Well, morning, kind sir. How do you sleep? Good. Did you? How was that? Nice. That's cool. That's very cool. Very cool. Very cool. Gene went to a comedy show.
Well, who was the comedian?
Who was the comedian? Who? Polar Bear.
All right, never heard of them, but
I've been to 2 comedy shows in my life. Guess who they were?
I know one was Adam Sandler because I was jealous when you went. Who was the other?
I've been to Adam Sandler and Kevin Hart.
Oh yeah, Kevin Hart.
They're both hilarious. Yep. Yep. Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's a good one, White Tiger.
So right now we're just staying patient, everybody. Staying ultra patient.
I used to watch back in the day. We used to watch Ron White. I don't know if you ever seen him, but he's funny. I guess he would appeal more to the country audience.
Larry the Cable Guy?
Ron White.
Oh.
He used to, he'd have a glass of whiskey and smoke while he was performing.
You know, that would be a riot. All right, Greg's here for the Zoom. Let's go. We got the trio. Cool guys.
What's up, everyone?
I came to the conclusion that I just prefer
YouTube, where's everyone at? It's Monday.
trade upside.
Let's run them thumbs up.
Morning.
Let's catch a trade.
What's up, Greg? What's everyone? What's up, man? Further downside.
Good morning, Greg.
Morning, you see? How's it going, bro?
It's going well, man. I was wondering where you was at.
Weekend? You can say hi to everyone, Gene?
Yeah, I had a good weekend. You have a good weekend?
Be nice to Gene. Gene's coming to say hi. Very good, man. Really good, thank you. Practicing. Testing some stuff. Hello, guys. Hello.
Frankie, I don't hate it. I've been studying it. I'm not an expert at it because you all know I just started really paying attention to it as well. So, good morning, Austin. Let's hit the thumbs up top, everyone. Pump it up. Give us a reject. See if we're going to. This will give us our 15-minute range. We could start watching here for the orb after it closes this candle, the 15-minute orb.
George. None. No issues. I'm just asking what's the plan.
How's everyone's weekend, YouTube? Let's talk. Watch any football? Spend any time with family? Back test anything? What'd you spend your weekends doing? Well, I cut my grass. Spent time with my daughter. Watched some football.
Live it up.
Hung out with
Oh,
Medman.
15-minute ranges in. Sweet.
Worked a
Very,
little
very
bit.
cool. Very, very cool.
That's about it for myself. "15-minute ranges in, everyone." Nice, Honda. It's awesome. Celebrating fall. Best time of the year, Frankie. I love it, man. Crazy weekend, Corey, for the football. Nice, Michael. Went skiing? Where are you skiing at this time of year? Are you talking about something else? I'm gonna assume you're talking about skiing. Okay.
I think to go shorts, to be honest. I would like to see price.
Watching build your fence. That's good. Good of them.
A16. Right now we're above these levels.
You gotta get away from that, man. I'm telling you, you're just wasting time and money in your life. Focus on the important thing. You don't need that stuff.
What are we thinking, fellas?
Yeah, so far loans are looking most possible.
Yeah, London session is still open, Frankie. London session is still
I'd
open.
love to see some London low. I'd love to see it. Not sure we will, but
What number is that?
see it.
Pre-market low?
No, the London low. Which number is that?
London low is pre-market low. 24,748.
Around that 750.
24,748.75 to be exact.
Okay. We're touching our red line A66.25 right now. Rejected it.
15-minute range is in, Jeddah.
Yep, I got it marked out. Just waiting.
My trading view is taking forever to do anything this morning. I don't know what's up. Trading view taking its time. Must have had a hard weekend. What's up? Oh, you're having the same issue, C price?
Trading view slow? I can't tell if mine's slow. I don't know if mine's slow or not. I can't tell.
Best way to go about trading? First, are you asking like where to start?
Waiting on my top step payout, Gene. I want them to give me my money. Give me my 4 racks. I'm good to keep trading on them when they take it out. Nice. Yeah. What?
I don't think I like
It is a
it.
nice paper.
I don't like the 15-minute range, everyone.
Loveful.
I was going to watch it for a possible entry, but I just can't really long going into that supply. So, that's my thoughts, YouTube. could print, but in my world, still supply and demand is king. So
I'm just waiting here for A66 to include that so far. It's trying to rig it. Give me more time.
well, King, you're always welcome to join Team Bull with us. I mean, not gonna pressure it on you, but that is a trading community where I trade out live every morning. I'm live on there as well right now. You have other traders and education in there, King, if you want to check that out.
Well, we technically got the orb close above that high.
We have
Volume
a
wasn't
3-day free
lost.
trial if you want to check it out. But as far as learning, I would start. Don't even worry about trading right now. Just learn what the stock market is, how it works. Once you feel like you have that down, then move to some basic technical analysis books. Focus on that and learning risk management.
600.
And down the road, then you can start the trading part. We trade a lot of futures. I would learn how to trade options and futures and shares, of course. Good morning. Welcome in.
For sure, I'm looking maybe below 835, 816.
Frankie, I don't let the zones be too large for day trading.
Taking show from here is
1 second. If you join Grizzology, yeah, you just
No trades for me yet, guys.
get the
Just
WAP
watch
app.
Monday
You have
for
access to the
a
community and everything.
profitable day. So given that, I'm always a little more careful.
Do I have a course? I do not have a course.
Always a bit more careful.
Do not do the courses. I taught some masterminds in the past with Team Bull, but I'm done with that. Focused on the free stuff for you all. This trading on here every day. We trade live all the time for the most part. We take some Fridays off on YouTube, but most of the time we're live. I do not do one-on-ones either, no. I did in the beginning of my trading, live trading career, but just wasn't worth it to me anymore, to be honest. I feel like I did my part as far as that goes. I was staying I would stay so packed. It would ruin my entire day trying to, plan them, like take up all my time.
Sheesh. That would have been about 1-to-1 so far. The volume's kind of sketchy though.
We are in my supply right now. So.
This volume's a little sketchy to the upside, low key.
I don't have an updated Grizzology video right now, Edgar. Once you join, for those that want Grizzology and you join, just read the guide section. It's going to give you the most details. Step-by-step guide how to use Grizzology. Plus, one thing you do need to make sure of, I have not updated into the guide yet, is check the announcements inside of the community. It shows what came with the last update, which was, you can see it on the chart, the London highs, Asian highs, previous day point of control, even point of control, so, which is right here. You can't see it hardly, but the blue line, this is today's point of control, right at this previous day. We have to wait on this candle to close to even see if we're going to confirm everyone. Let's be patient here. London High didn't reject. London's still making highs. If anything, we rejected the Asia high. The London session is still rolling. I believe at 11, right? Like an hour. I'm
Not
not,
like longs, his volume's just sketchy.
I was looking for a possible short entry here, but it's not enough volume to even consider it so far. It's hard to get a read.
That Tesla pulled back to 435 was it.
Trading views data is coming in a little weird today, everyone. A little slower. Something's up, so just be cautious. It's taking stuff a little longer to update. A little bit of lag, so let's keep that in mind, YouTube, okay? There's different ways to do it. You can just... I got one strategy where I look like at the previous 5 bars, see if we get higher.
That was the longest trade down there, that was it.
Or we can just have a higher volume candle, basically.
I did not participate.
So we can't confirm now because we're not below the bottom of the zone. And this candle's about to close, so no trade here yet. It's trying to show trend, but I'm not looking for trend today, right here.
What was the previous all-time high? 888?
Yep, 24,888. I just hope it doesn't confirm off a candle that just ripped down 50 points, you know? 75-point candle.
I'm trying a small piece of longs, guys. With stops below 855.
Jay done tried some NQ longs, YouTube, if you want to trade with him.
So there's 15 points of risk here.
15-point stop loss. Hope it prints for him.
I'd like to see a high a day and more out of this. I'd like to just see a 1-to-1 so we're at all-time highs. So like 890 would be great.
You're gonna hold this into all-time highs, right? If it rips.
You know, it's worth the risk. It's only 15 points, so worst case we go below that 15-minute high and I get stopped out for 15 points, or best case is we get all-time high and we just keep trending up. Price target is all-time high. I don't love trading up here all-time highs, but you know, the setup looked all right. So far at about 10 points. All right, guys, I'm gonna trim up here. I'm gonna take a trim up here just to be safe. Didn't quite get filled at 1-to-1 after that pop, but we hit my price target and went down. So just to be safe, I took a trim up here, guys. Just to be safe, so we got that initial pop up.
Come on.
Nice one, man. Nice trade.
Thanks, man. So not huge, but it's all right. Got my price target. It was just too fast to get a sell off up there.
Yeah, man. The drawdown was almost zero. No? It was a perfect.
My stops are at break even now, guys. Up at 70. There we go. We'll take a small win on a Monday. We'll take it. Still got the runners movement. I'd like to see a build above all-time highs, but just in case, we're gonna set our stops to break even. Stops are at 70. Nice win on the Monday. I literally got my price target to a T.
15-minute word printed. The pullback entry.
If we weren't at all-time highs, I'd be more willing to have a little more risk on. But let's see if we can get this trend up to 25,000 or 25,000. That'd be awesome. 24,900. It's at around 1-to-1 right now. Hey, $250, $300. We'll take it. Anyone else get any base hits in chat? Base hits out up. Tyler got a $300 piece. Jordan Belfort got $250 an out. We'll take those. We'll take those wins. Those are nice wins. What else y'all got? We got Tyler with 300. Tyler with 300. We got Jordan Belfort 250. Nice. 300, 250, 263, 280. Went on light $50. Pass another Apex eval. Got a banger. 381.
And Julian King.
44. That's awesome. That's great.
Hold on a second. I'm not trying. I mean, it's not advice, Julian. I'm just telling you what I would do. You can do as you please. I hope this rips up for him. I'm watching. I think so, Justin. TradingView is not even updating the stuff right, though. So it's kind of confusing here, but I'm trying to catch us something. Appreciate that, Corey. I just seen your comment. Appreciate that, man. I try. Terry's, I don't know, honestly. Don't have a good answer. IV's just been weird. They've been, one thing I've noticed this year on like the same day expiration for SPY, QQQ, we've been having higher IV more often for the same day expirations. No, no rejects yet. Nothing's telling me we're gonna reject. It's dangerous, a little more high risk trying to reject up here, but just can trade my zones, right? Even though it is all-time high. If we break above that previous day high, I'm done looking for a short. This is Grizzology. Well, I'm getting a little buying in here. Let's see. I'm not for sure if we're gonna reject or go up. That's why well, we're not taking anything here yet. That barely confirmed, everyone. I wouldn't try the trend based off that candle. If you do, I'll wait on a pullback. Which we closed above that pre-market high, but this is a long wick down. Tells me buyers pulled that back down. Very low buying delta or positive delta. It shouldn't. $8.79. Still lower volume on this candle. Let's be patient. No need to force trades. It's always a better idea to preserve your money as it is to risk a setup that's not there. Always wait on the candle close, my friends. I haven't tried anything yet. Just didn't have enough negative delta there. It could print. We did close below, but it's not a strong close. What's up, Jaden?
You see anything you like, bro?
I was looking for a possible short entry, but that previous candle just didn't have enough aggressive selling on it.
5 minutes looking strong, or that 1 minute's looking strong.
Yeah, we closed back above that pre-market high, so no trades yet. Just nothing standing out volume-wise with these candles.
Nothing. Just waiting. What I was saying earlier is playing up to fruition. You don't want to try to short the bottoms. The candles are long the tops. You want to wait for A+ setups, solid 5-minute confirmation, and really be strategic with your entries. That's how you're going to build confidence in yourself. That's how you're going to build conviction every time you hit that buy button. And that's what profitable trading is all about. Is you want to have confidence and conviction each time you press that buy button that you can manage your risk. You can be okay if you lose the trade. You want to understand why you're buying or selling and why your setup is technically valid or invalid when you do so.
Thanks for letting me know, Ryan.
That's why whenever we have key levels, I'm going to talk about this at the 3-day webinar a lot too. Might be able with 15-minute high.
Bill, I have not looked. Have you looked at anything yet? Yeah, very cautious today. Really trying to lock in for us, CDP. Trying to give us the best setups I can. What are you watching, CDP? Anything? Nasty move up. That volume though. Is that not this weird how the volume is not increasing with these push up? I mean, somewhat on lower time frames, but we just broke all time high, you know? just not ideal when trying to catch an entry, Jake, you know? Level's invalid. You watching anything, Jay Dunn? Greg? What are we watching here?
Jedi went to go get some water. I'm taking over right now.
I say we put Jay Dunn on. Oh, sorry, Greg, go ahead. Or was that Jay? Greg?
Just watching.
Alright.
You can't even replace that bitch. That's how you get your water popped out. Unless it's reusable. Yeah. That'd be cool. Thanks, bro. Yes, that's definitely not ever gonna work again. Absolutely is trash 100%. Where's that jersey at? I see it. I'm finally framing up the signed Jokic jersey, baby. Yes, the signed Jokic jersey. Yes, baby, the GOAT. You got the signed Kobe jersey, the number 8 Kobe jersey on the wall too. You didn't know I'm a big sports guy. Now you know. I do need a Broncos jersey. I got the signed Broncos ball up there, but could use a signed Huskers jersey as well. You mean fake jersey? But my boy's like best friends with Jokic. What do you mean? He was good friends with Kobe too. R.I.P. R.I.P. to GOAT.
Come on, NQ, give us something. Do something. Why does it keep pulling up the wrong ES? There we go. Me too, Courtney, me too. If we just had more volume on this candle here, in an ideal world, we could look for a pullback, but in an ideal world, we'd have higher volume on this candle. But if we're just looking at candlesticks, pullback to this area here could be a long entry right in this area. As long as it's in the 80s. much is Scott? How much is the eval? Nice, Ryan. Make sure you check out the community chat for one in there. You need the WAP app for that, Ryan, and the guide section. Have a good day, Bill. Let me know if you will anything this week. Now we're having to give away today one for those that are left at the end of this live. I'm giving away some Apex accounts. See how many I'm going to give away today. Oh.
I can't tell you how many times people came up at Nuggets games and be like, "Oh, are you Jokic's brother?" His brother's huge. Yeah, I mean, bro, one of his brothers is just absolutely massive. So, how's everyone doing this morning, Team Bull? How about you guys do? Talk to me. No trades yet, money bags. 3,200, nice job, Ace off. 134 times 2, great job, Trade Hunter. Overnight 2K, staying patient. Nice. I'm going to be trading for a little less time today. We caught a banger this morning on those longs, so, well, not a banger, but a decent trade. We won't call it a banger. For the risk, it was a decent trade. On a Monday, I'll take it all day, every day.
Tried a little NQ longs here, everyone, light size. NQ longs.
get the long spot. This is around the area.
This is the only area I have for a trade. If this doesn't play out, most likely just walk away for the day. My entry was when I said there, around the 92 area. No, I lied. My fill was 94. 894. 894 stop. It can be below Asia high, 876, or below 885 for less risk. But you could run the risk of getting your stop hit then pumping.
Hopefully you get a nice move up, bro. I believe in you, Mr. Grizzly. I believe in you.
I just wanted to rip up for us, everyone.
Rip up for him. Come on. Yeehaw for him.
906 area is where your first trim would be. High day, all-time high, all that good stuff. Rip up, come on. There we go, trim, everyone.
Hey, nice job, bro.
Thanks, man. Stops are at entry now. This is a green trade regardless.
Nice job, bro.
Appreciate it, man. Solid entry. We had a sniper entry there.
Great trade. I mean, immediately.
Is anybody in this with me making a little money this morning? Just curious.
That was baller.
I took it with you.
Nice.
Good morning for Team Bull, everybody. Good morning for Team Bull. Good morning for Team Bull.
Thank you, Lizzie.
Oh, you're welcome, Greg. A little. Hopefully, I made you some money like you did me on Friday.
Yep, thank you.
I only have one runner left, by the way, everyone. I took most off up there. Just gonna let it run or hit my entry. $94 is where $894. I'll be completely out of this trade if it hits. Nice. We might get it. Might get another push up here.
You know, Grizzly, we're navigating this all-time high market pretty well.
Yeah, it's been tricky too, especially for sniper entries for futures.
Yep, we're staying patient, but I'm happy for us. We're doing good.
This QQQ can get a close above this 600. We should see a nice move on this NQ trade we're in.
All-time highs just take a bit more patience, which is what we do every single day, so we'll be all right. And whenever we do get the big pullback in the next month, 6 months, year, 2 years, whatever it is, we'll be ready.
Beck, I really don't have a price target here. I just want to let it run. I'm going to move my stop up as we go. We're just making new all-time highs. I'm going to move my stop below 24,900, everyone. No. In profits.
Oh my gosh, Grizzly, what a trade, bro.
Just hope it continues, man, without getting my... I'm trying to trail pretty closely here, so I need to just keep going.
Nice trade, guys. I'm out.
Nice.
Nice job, bro. That was dope.
I'm going to move it up to 906 now. My stop.
We have to go, guys. I just did one trade. Use some trades. I have to go for the moment. Okay? Thank you, Grizzly.
You're welcome, Greg. Have a good day, man.
You too, man. Good Monday. Goodbye, Jaden. Goodbye, Timur.
94 was my entry, Corey. 894. I thought I was getting an 892. That's where I clicked buy, but it didn't fill me to 894. So.
See, Greg. What's up, Gene? What up, Dowd? Grizzly called a banger. I mean, call it a heater. A heat-seeking missile.
I have to pay for a steak somehow, you know. I'm drinking some different coffee today, by the way. It's still straight, but I got the So my coffee maker has like where you can do the pods or the pot. So I got some of the pumpkin spice pods. Mixed it up a little.
What did you say, bro?
Hey, you missed all that?
Oh no, I was talking to Gene. Sorry.
I said my coffee pot has the like where you can do the pot or the pods, and I got me some of the pumpkin spice pods. That's what I'm drinking.
Oh my gosh, you and Gene, bro! I can't with you guys.
Mine's straight though. There's nothing in it.
Gene says he's coming over. Gene loves pumpkin spice, bro. What is wrong with you? I mean, honestly, I don't hate pumpkin spice. I just think it's funny. Gene's like, I love pumpkin spice. My favorite. My name is Gene and I love pumpkin spice. Little whipped cream on top. Yeah.
Call HR, Gene. Don't allow him to bully you.
I'm calling HR, bro.
Come to Tennessee. I'll take care of you.
Pumpkin spice little chai tea latte. That's Gene. Yeah. Gene's not liking the heat. Yeah, Gene said, why are you so good at that? Because I listen to you talk all day, bro. That's why. That's why I'm good at it, is because I listen to you talk all day. That's what you sound like.
I'm going to, Corey. I'm slowly working on
I
it.
want to carve some pumpkins this year.
My master plan.
I carved the Team Bull logo back in the day.
All right, we may break it here. Everyone, new high day. Let's see. Is anybody holding a runner with me?
That was an amazing trade, bro.
If it pulls back any, I'll be out of this. When I move my stop up to 9:15 now, I'm right on it. Right on the price action. So right on it. Don't you do it.
Dude, Walton has been a mover. And it's really moving today.
Well,
Wow.
there we go. I'm out. Trade's over. My
There you
entry
go,
was
everybody.
894, Greg. Greg B in chat. Solid trade.
That was a great trade, bro. You killed that.
Let's see. I was light sized. I made $1,000. $1,000. I say that like it's nothing. Used to, $1,000 was a big deal. Still is. If you're making that in a day, you're crushing it. Okay, grab my stop and continue making highs. It's okay. I'm happy locking that in.
Oh my gosh, yeah. He's
That-
cooking.
Red, that was on my personal this morning. This one account. 1,000 on that. feel like Tuesday is a good day to start trading the funded.
Why he locked himself out?
I don't think we had hardly any drawdown on that from our entry.
Almost none.
Yeah. YouTube, I got a question for you all that's still here. I was waiting till all the
That's cool.
to see how many stayed, but I have some Apex accounts for you all. And I need to say something. I never paid attention to this much, but so if I give you this, if I give you a free account, keep in mind the first month is free, but after the first month they will charge you. They'll give you 50% off on the second month, so whatever that equals to, whichever account you choose. It is reoccurring unless you pass it, but most people either pass or fail within that month. Just make sure you understand that. So, who would like an account? Let's see. I cannot say your last name. Juan, Guevara, you can have one. Courtney Young, you can have one. Just all I ask, you don't have to if you don't want to, but just use my code Grizzly and my link if you get any more, okay?
I'm 6'7". You'd think I'd be the one that understood it. I don't have a clue. My sister was here this weekend and she's like 6'7". Oh, I'm like, what? I literally just don't understand. I'm like, bro, I'm actually 6'7" and I don't understand this shit. What does it mean?
Eddie Lolis gets the third one. So there's three. I gave away three. DM me on Instagram, everyone. If I give you an account, DM me on Instagram. I'll send you the code there.
I'm like 6'6" in people.
I gave away 3 accounts today. We may do more tomorrow. We'll see. All right.
Tall boy.
That's it for the day. We had one nice winning trade. It's still going if you didn't stop out with me, but I stopped out. Trade's over. I made 1,000 real cash today. I was trading on my personal. I will be trading on the fundeds tomorrow. Possibly the personal as well. We'll see if that works out. If I can do both. But this is Grizzology. Go to grizzlytrades.com. You can read about it. A 7-day free trial. If you don't like it, no harm done.
If you got time.
Peace, everyone.
I'm trying to learn orb. Wasn't a 10 out of 10, 10, 15.